Daddy love the fucking drug dealers.
Hello, Sir William.
When you want to take a squad selfie, but you don't have a squad, so you're just like...
Hey, Miss Kitty, I just got one question for you. What are you doing in the washing machine?
Smelly cat, oh smelly cat, what are they feeding you?
There's pizza.
Is it made out of cat food?
I don't know. Is it made out of cat food? No. No.
I'm good.
Drop it.
Why would you sleep in that bed when you could sleep right there? Huh? Why?
The creativity, the genius, that's impossible.
Really? Why you always have to take my spot, cat?
Who's mommy's favorite asshole? You're mommy's favorite asshole. I love you.
Please stay. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet.
Here, Mom, I got you something from freaking Walmart.
Jasper, get off the counter. Get off the counter. That's not getting off the counter.
Do you have anything to say for yourself, you monster? You beast? You sweet little key.
Moose. Moosey, look at the camera. Look.
Pero
la para mí.
Cat interviews. So Snuggles, how's it like being a cat?
Charlie, looking so fleet today, looking swagger than ever. Look at your paws all done. Look at
These are the days that bind you together forever. Sing it on your back if you wanna scream. Let me know.
I have a friend today singing with me, Squeakers. Yeah.
Na perna esquerda, ele tá parado! Sai! Sai!
What the hell is It Man got hops? It Man, yikes.
Meow if you love me.
Yo, I've flown a lot, can't keep it home a lot. Cause when I frequent the spots that I'm known to rock, you hear the bass from the truck when I
Okay, time to start my homework, and oh no, this feels like the right thing to do. Yep, pet the cat.
Stop it!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off. And I think I wanna smash them off.
Mew! Mew!
When I was in the 3rd grade, I thought I was a cat, but people didn't pet me, so I learned to accept that.
Okay, I got my 100% real cat here. If you listen.
Meow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's him, so give me likes now.
Oh God.
How to keep an Oliver in a basket. Get out of the basket.
Ow! Who's the cat that gives 0 fucks? It's Tux. I do.
Just like animals, animals like animals. More.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing?
This is why I hate dogs.
We honor the snake out of respect to the woods and its spirits. Because of this, the cat in the forest and the...
Look at the pretty kitty. Look at her, she's so cute. She's so cute.
We love each other. Don't we? Don't leave me.
When you're bored, hey Hattie, come on, let me put this on you. Oh, come on, come on. When your jam is on.
Hey, what'd you do? Romeo.
I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out. I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out. I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out.
Give mommy kisses. Love me, love me, love me. Why won't you love me? Please just love me. Oh, okay.
Yo, bro, can I pet your cat?
No, 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 no.
Never mind.
Down the roof getting high, high, high. She don't wanna be seen. I want a real love, dark skinned and Viv love. That Jada in that wheel.
Que se ve de enfrente donde se alcanza a ver esa luz morada de la cocina. Voy a pintar.
Pappy. Uber kitty kitty, do you love me?
The second victim, Karen Gato, was killed in laundry. That's bleeding with her. They have a neighbor. She packed my suitcases and me on the way. She gave me a kiss.
Love me, cat! I love you so! She left me.
Oh, look at that baby.
Hi.
Thank you for helping me with my homework. Ben, Romeo.
Leave you, I would hold you when the last day.
Going back and forth.
Ow! 2 cats. Peppy!
Basil, stop! Basil, get your head out of my bowl. Excuse me, what are you doing?
I can't reach you over there.
Move the bed.
Solo hay que estudiar y tornó así, pero de tener las
This is normal for a cat to do. Totally normal.
Best friend time. Best friends. Hey.
Awful.
Before Urkel wakes up. What a horrible dream. On February 10th, 1960.
What are you doing? You playing video games?
So the cashier at Dollar General just asked me, do you want your cat food in a bag? In a bag?
I'm a kitty. Meow.
Oh my.
Come on.
I love your shirt. I love my shirt. I like your face. I like my face. I like your face. And your foot. And your fur. And your face. And then...
Ruby. Let go.
No.
Let go, Ruby.
No.
Babe, girl.
It's the most beautiful cat in the world.